eBay Marketing Course. Discover the proven step-by-step blueprint for creating a 5-figure-a-month eBay business from home. Presented by an eBay power seller. This course is designed to teach you how to launch your own eBay business. In this step-by-step training, you will learn the quickest and more direct route to set up a successful and profitable online business. This course includes how to set up your account the right way, how to start making money on eBay with little to no investment, how to find the most wildly profitable niche markets, how to source red-hot, in-demand products, how to work out your profits before you buy the product, how to make a profit in your very first month, what products to avoid, how to source hugely profitable products from overseas, how to correctly list an item to maximize sales, what time of day to list your product for maximize results, how to automate your entire eBay business, how to drive more traffic to your products. To find more details, go to http://bit.ly/2imtyke or learn more at https://www.eliteinternetmarketingtraining.org/courses/ebay-marketing.